So I don't think meetings are hopeless. There is hope. And actually, it's not so difficult to make meetings great and excellent. But the question is, why don't we look at it? And reality is, meetings are a blind spot in organizations, and this out of three reasons. Number one, we are not aware of how much we invest in meetings. It's up to 40% of the entire staff that spends their entire time in meeting. So it's the single biggest investment of companies. Nevertheless, we don't look at it. So we're missing awareness around it. Number two, even when you are aware, we have an entire generation that learned that meetings just suck in corporates. That's just the way it is. We know we cannot get rid of them. We know that an organization cannot work without meetings. But since 20 years, they have been like that. There have been a waste of time and a source of frustration. That's just the way it is. Which brings me to number three. We need a picture, an idea of how good looks like, which is also missing. An excellent meeting is a meeting where you walk out ready to execute, energized, and not one where you walk out like, okay, what was that for? Maybe it was important, but sure not for me, right? So you want to walk out with like, let's do it. That's an excellent meeting. So to the question, why don't we do something about it? It's a blind spot. We are not aware of the cost. It has always been that way, and we don't have a picture how good looks like. Now, with our framework, we made it very simple to start step by step to make meetings excellent, because it's not difficult and it's not complex to make meetings great. It is hard. You have to get those little things right. Formulate agenda and questions. Make sure that people are prepared. Nudge people towards asynchronous collaboration beforehand. Prepare to conduct. Go through the meetings. Focus on takeaways. All those elements. It's the little steps. It's the little things that make meetings great. And they're not difficult. They're not complex, but they're hard because you have to make them becoming a habit.